I am Dr. Donald Ozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada. Crunches are a basic core strengthening exercise. They're going to directly target the rectus abdominis muscle and strengthen the other core muscles because those muscles are used as stabilizers or assisters in this motion. You want to be laying supine. You are going to use the floor, an exercise bench, or a sturdy table. Flex the hips and the knees both to 90 degrees. In Pilates, this is called a tabletop position. From here, you want to make sure that you do not place your hands on your neck or your head. You don't want to create any neck or upper back issues by pulling on the head or neck while you're performing this exercise. You can put your hands up in the air, you could put your hands on your chest or on your stomach or by your side, whatever works best for you. When performing this exercise, always keep your neck in line with your spine. Never flex your neck and never protract your neck. Always work very hard to keep your neck in line with your spine. When you perform this exercise, you can go in two directions. You can curl the body towards your thighs, or you can lift the body upwards. The lumbar spine, which is the medical name for the low back, and the pelvis always stay contacting the floor. You're going to lift your upper back off the floor. The first motion I'm going to do is in the direction going towards the thigh. Always make sure that you use proper technique when performing any type of exercise. If an exercise elicits or intensifies symptoms, you want to stop immediately. Never perform an exercise that elicits or intensifies symptoms. The next motion is going directly upwards. Always make sure that you check with a medical professional before performing this exercise to make sure that your body is healthy enough to perform it. Also, you can work with a fitness professional to make sure you are using proper technique. The crunch is a basic core strengthening exercise that will help to build strength and endurance in the rectus abdominis and the other core muscles. Thank you everybody for watching today's video on spine health. Always remember, never perform an exercise that elicits or intensifies symptoms. Always work through a symptom-free range of motion. Always check with a medical professional before starting any type of exercise program. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. You can visit my website, championshipchiropractic.com, where you get information on my book titled Running, Maximize Performance and Minimize Injuries. And you could also find my blog on my website. My blog contains articles on spine health, sports medicine, chiropractic, health, fitness, and nutrition. Thank you again for watching today's video. I am Dr. Donald Ozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada.